In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay images and text in Canva videos. We'll start inside Canva with any video template you like. Open a template that matches your project's style and aspect ratio so everything fits your platform. On the left sidebar, click Uploads to bring in your image. Upload from your device if needed, then drag the image onto the canvas to insert it. Position it where you want by clicking and dragging. Use Canva's smart guides to snap it into place. If you need to resize, drag a corner handle to keep proportions clean and avoid distortion. Next, let's blend the image. Go to Apps in the sidebar and search for Image Blender. Open the app. Choose the linear option to create a smooth blend from one side of the image to the other. You'll see a control dot and line. Drag the dot to set the blend's direction and edge. Then, drag and hold along the line to fine-tune its placement so it transitions exactly where you want. Adjust the strength slider to control how much of the image blends with the background. A lower strength creates a subtle transition. Higher strength is more pronounced. When it looks right, click. Save to apply it to your canvas. Now, add your text. Click Text on the sidebar and add a heading or subheading. Type your phrase clearly and keep it concise for readability on video. Change its color to something with good contrast against the background and your blended image. Pick a font that matches your brand and is legible at smaller sizes. Resize the text using the corner handles, then reposition it so it doesn't crowd the image. Aim for balance. Leave some breathing room around the text. Let's control how long the text stays on screen. In the timeline, adjust the text layer's duration by dragging its ends so it appears and disappears at the right moment. With the text selected, click Animate, and choose an entry animation you like. Keep it simple for professional results. Adjust the speed to match the pace of your video. Now select the image layer and add an animation to it as well, such as a gentle fade. Align the image's duration in the timeline so it syncs nicely with your text. Finally, click Preview to watch your video from start to finish. Check for clean transitions, readable text, and timing that feels smooth. If anything looks off, make small tweaks and preview again. And that's how to overlay images and text in Canva videos with a polished, blended look.